Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm doing so fine. So today I want to show you how to do basic stitches like single crochet, double crochet. You may hear these terms and you're not sure what they mean. So you need your yarn and a crochet. So let's start. So when you get your yarn, the best thing is to get the yarn from inside the roll instead of starting on top. It will be easier to manage it. So let's pull from inside and pull it out. Nice. So we do a knot. What you do, you take your yarn, put it on your finger like this, then like this, then take it out and take in like this. You form a knot, just simple as this. Your yarn like this, then like this, then pull it out of your finger, then put in like that, then pull, then take your crochet, put it in the hook, put it in the knot, then get your yarn, roll it on your finger like that, on the crochet with the other finger like this, then you do a chain of 10. So let's start. Pick your yarn like this with your crochet, pull it inside the knot like that. That's one chain. Again 2, again 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure your yarn is on your hands like this, then you want like this, then it will be easier for you to make the chain. Hold your yarn anyway, you can hold it the way you want as long as you're able to do the chain. So this is how I hold mine. These 2 fingers on the chain, on the crochet, then there's one on my finger like this, then these 2 ones are holding it down like this. So that's how I hold mine, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we have our chain. Yeah, there's our chain. Then I want us to start with the single crochet. When you say single crochet, is when you just get your hook, put it down, not in the first knot stitch that is holding your crochet. Go to the second one, put your hook like this and pick the yarn on the other side, pull it and take out 2. That's the single crochet. Again, your hook down, pick the thread, the yarn then pull out 2. That's what we mean by single crochet. Down, pick the yarn, pull it 2 out like that. That's how you make a single crochet. If you're not getting, please let me know. Put your hook down in the chain, pick up take out the 2 like that. This is good for beginners. Please don't give up, keep practicing. I know it's not hard and it's not simple at the same time. You have to keep practicing. So down, pick, take out the 2. We are at the last chain like that. When you get to the end of your chain, you chain 1 like that, then turn your work like this. Chain 1 like that, then turn your work like this. Then you begin another round now, the second round. Make sure you've made the first crochet here at the end so that you have a straight edge. So let's continue. Your hook down here at the edge, pick, drop 2. You can see. Then again, pick, drop 2. Then again down, pick the yarn, drop 2 like that. This is the single crochet, the basic. You can see the pattern is forming. So when you reach at the last, it's a bit tricky for this part. Make sure you pick, you don't lose the, most of the time you end up losing this stitch, but if possible go counting your stitches so that you've done 10 as your chain, as your foundation chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually there will be 9 because when you formed the chain it was 10, but when you start crocheting, because of the first, this part here, you end up being left with the 9 stitches instead of 10. So because of this part which has formed the chain, so again you chain 1 and turn. Hope nobody is left behind, so ensure the last here at this part, it's where you put your crochet. Again pull like that, then drop 2 like that. This forms the chains, this part, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you continue your pattern by picking these 2, then pick your yarn, drop 2 like that. Like that, guys. No matter what kind of yarn you're using, or the hook or the crochet, these are the patterns, the basic. Yeah, at the end remember to chain 1 like that, so that you form a straight edge and don't lose your pattern. So after chaining 1, you turn. remember the last, your chain is here, you put your hook just down right here. This is the chain and this is where you put your hook here. Then pick your yarn, drop 2 like that, guys. That's single crochet. Single crochet. Basic single crochet for beginners. This is how you do it. Let me tell you, it's not that you get it in the first at the start. You have to keep on practicing. Practicing makes perfect. And taking a break of 1 year. I've just resumed that it was chaotic. I've taken another week to catch up and remember what I've been doing. So don't give up. Keep practicing. Keep rewinding the video to see what you need to do. Yeah, we are at the last stitch. Take your hook down here, the edge. Pull your yarn, pull out 2 like that. You see the pattern is forming. This single crochet. Then remember to chain 1. Don't forget that. Then turn your work. You can see I'm holding like this. When I turn, I hold it like this. So remember at the edge, don't put your hook in the second one. Chain. Use the last, the one at the corner here. Put your hook, pick your yarn, pull out 2. Then you go to the second one. Like that. Like that. Once you've known how to do single crochet, we'll be able to do a project with you. That's done some if you're able to do the single crochet, I can show you how to do this art for a newborn. This single crochet, you can see it has come out so nicely. So try and see so that I can help you do a simple art. Okay? If you're not getting it, let me know. I'll walk you slowly so that you get it. That will be my joy to see you crocheting. So it relieves stress when you, because all your mind and heart is concentrated on this. You can't be anywhere else. You have to focus on the patterns that you're doing. Yeah, we're on the last part. You're crocheting down here like that. Pick up the yarn, pull out 2. You can see I'm forming a pattern, a good nice pattern. So try and see. Then you let me know. We can do a beanie. This is the pattern that you use for the beanie, single crochet. Okay guys, hope you learn and welcome to the crochet world, power of crocheting. Thank you for watching.